Let us find angle alpha here. So the first thing what you are going to do, just as you know, the measure of a straight angle is 180 degrees. So if you see that this is a straight line, so that means, let us say this one alpha. So alpha plus 7x is equal to 180 degree. So this is the first one, and the second one, the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180. That means the sum of interior angles alpha plus 4x plus 60, it will be 180 degrees. So alpha plus 4x plus 60 is equal to 180. So this one is the second one. So we can rewrite the second equation, this one, just like alpha plus 4x is equal to 180 minus 60. We are moving this one to the other side, so that means alpha plus 4x is equal to, right, 120 degree. So we can combine the two equations. So the first equation, this one, alpha plus 7x is equal to 180, and the second equation, this one, so alpha plus 4x is equal to 120. So we can subtract this one from the top one, so it will be, this will be cancelled and this one will be negative, so it will be 3x is equal to minus 180 minus 120, it will be 60 degree. So x will be 60 over 3, which will be 20 degree. And then after that, 4x means just 4 times 20 degree, right? So it will be 80 degree, and this one 60, and alpha will be alpha plus 7x is equal to right, 180 degrees. So alpha plus 7 times x, how much? It is 20, so 20 is equal to 180. Alpha is equal to 180 minus this one, it will be 140, so 140. Alpha is equal to 40 degree.